they are. We should go ask the campus sourcer.
You're right, let's go get the others.
Yeah. Oh, there they are.
The answers you search for will all be here. But you better hurry. Showcase is starting soon.
You'll find the...
What does that say?
The Fuego in the Kingdom of Pooh? I think I know where that is.
Let's get them our maps. Jabay!
Dirty Dolphins!
Flama!
Fuego!
Hey, over here!
They're searching for the Fuego.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Wait, what's that? You'll find the Fuego? Over the sunset. Sunset? Sunset Village?
On it.
E-June, you're up.
We gotta go! Let's go!
Are we still pooping?
Okay, the last clue said it would be somewhere over here.
What's that over there?
I think we have to read this. We have to go to parking lot 8.
Oh.
We'll go to the other. Okay.
Wait, it's that way!
That must be that!
We've been looking all over for the Fuego. ¿El qué? Ven pa' acá. El Fuego has always been inside of me.
We have to make it before it collapses! To the stage!
Fuego realmente está dentro de nosotros.
Ay, Titi me preguntó si tengo muchas novias. Hoy tengo a una, mañana otra, ey, pero no hay boda. Titi me preguntó si tengo muchas novias. Muchas novias. Hoy tengo a una, mañana otra. Me las voy a llevar a todas con VIP. Zumba.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Foundation Showcase. Oh, can you hear me?
On this episode of We Don't Know What We're Doing.
Hello, can you hear me now? All right, everyone, thank you so much for coming to Foundation Showcase today. We're so happy to have you all here. So I just have a few words to say to my team that I've been working with for a quarter. Hi guys. It has truly been an honor to have had the opportunity to train and direct you guys this quarter. I have never seen a group of more driven, lively, and fun people. I especially want to congratulate Fuego for their open-mindedness, always eager to explore and challenge themselves. This past quarter, my co-director Momo and I wanted to not only teach you dance and dance culture, we also wanted to immerse you a bit into our culture. As two Mexican directors, it has been beyond empowering to see you celebrating our voices and visions. Thanks to you, our artistic vision came to life beautifully more than we could have ever imagined. So, Fuego will always have such a special place in my heart. I didn't work here. Hello. Hey. Hello. Can you hear me?
here. I joined foundations to make friends, and you guys gave me a family. So, I don't want to cry. I'll save it for banquet. But thank you guys for coming, and I hope you saw how spicy they were. Oh, now it works.
Okay. Hi everyone, I'm Leeba and I'm one of the co-captains for Fuego. I didn't really prepare much of anything, but I'm just so proud of Fuego for how much they've grown. Honestly, if you guys saw our first practice when we were learning like TT till now, oh my god, they're crazy. They're so crazy, y'all are crazy. I'm so proud of you guys for how much you've grown as just like people and as dancers, and I'm so happy to have made a family with Fuego. Coming back to foundations is just always like such a blessing, and I love being in this space so much. There's just always something special about it, and I just keep coming back. And as a senior, it makes me so happy being in this space again, and I'm so honored to have been you guys' captain.
Hi everyone, my name is Caitlyn. I'm the other co-captain of Fuego. I also did not prepare much, but I just wanted to say that I'm so proud of each and every one of us for performing our 6-minute set and killing it. And I just want to say that like you guys have made every time we like stayed late at practice, every time I was like up writing announcements at 3 a.m. so worth it. I'm so glad that I met all of you guys this quarter. And just thank you for joining our team. Thank you for sticking it through with us. And I love you all so much. This one works.
I wanted to say
Move away from the speaker. Yeah.
I don't like that. Hello? I just want to say this last thing, y'all laughing at me, but it's working now. So, I know this kind of a meme in the video, but just remember, no matter where you are in life, no matter where you are at UCLA, the Fuego is always within you guys.